Hi, Dave here from TAS Electronics. Have you ever been told you can't have a remote car starter on your car? Push to start, diesel, stick shift? Well, here at TAS, we can do a remote start for you to fit any type of application for any car on the market today. TAS Electronics has installed over 128,000 remote starts and continues to grow. Tired of carrying too many remote controls on your keychain? TAS has you covered. Now we can incorporate a remote start right into your factory remote control. Just hit the lock button 3 times and you're good to go. No more carrying fobs in your pocket and that bulky keychain. And don't forget to ask us about our Drone Mobile. You'll be able to start your vehicle from anywhere from your mobile device. TAS Electronics has a wide selection of different ranges to fit your needs. Needing a long range, we have some that go 3 miles, some that go a mile, some that are 800 feet, some that are 1,500 feet. Don't forget to ask us about the phone. We'll be able to start your car anywhere in the country. Stop into TAS today where we can make a remote start happen for you.